Hello, everyone. You're welcome to the sixth episode of the Mindset series. We have started discussing about the mindset, and we have looked at what the mindset is all about. And we mentioned three types of mindsets. The first one is the fixed mindset, and which we have considered. The second one is a growth mindset. We have looked at that too. And the last one is what I call the fickle mindset. Today, we are looking at the fickle mindset. You see, the traits of the fickle mindset people is like, or even worse than that of the fixed mindset. It's like they are in the same category. But the fickle mindset people are kind of people who cannot see beyond their nose. In fact, their belly is their God. They cannot see more than their belly. They don't know what future holds for them, and they are not even trying to know anything about it at all. So, what are the characteristics of the fickle mindset? Number one, it's like as moving like a pendulum. They move back and front. You see, people that are having this mindset, they are not stable. They move back and front. Number two, they are like chameleon. You hardly know where they belong. They are not in this place. They are not in A, neither they are in B. They move here and there. They change color like chameleon. Then number three, they are mostly pretenders of all ages. They are not forthright. They are not straightforward people. And you cannot determine or you cannot predict their mind or what they are doing. So number four, they are unstable like water. They wobbling here and there. They belong to A, they belong to B. In fact, sometimes they belong to C. And they continue manipulating between three individuals or between people around them. And this one we think they are on my part. The other one we think they are on his or our part. Then the other one also we think they are on his or our part. So they are wobbling. They are unstable like water. Then the next number now, they are busybody. They are kind of the one. They carry the story of Mr. A or Mrs. A to Mr. or Mrs. B. They carry the story of Mrs. B or Mr. B to Mr. or Mrs. C. So they gossip all about. They are busybody kind of people. Then, not that alone, they interfere in other people's matter. They carry the message of this one to this one, the secret of this one to another one, and that is how they live their life. Then the last one in this characteristics is through deception. They influence others to propagate evil. They deceive people and they influence them. They tell them sweet things. They are sweet mouth coated people. They tell them sweet things in order to get their heart, in order to gain their interest. And as they influence them, they make them to perform evil. And the evil they perform, and when you are trying to trace that evil, the performance of that evil, you find it difficult to trace that evil to them. And they are the initiator of that evil. These are the characteristics of the fickle mindset people. And for us, we cannot avoid to be in this category. Growth mindset is your portion. Growth mindset is the one we need to strive for. So this is where we are going to stop on this episode. All these lessons we are learning are for you to cultivate the right mindset for your achievements, for your progress, for your success, for your productivity, and for your fulfillment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Share it with your friends. Share it with your children. Share it with your neighbors around you. Because Servant Verita Wars wish you all the best. And we hope to see you achieving your dream, achieving your goal, and become great and fulfilled in life as you have come. Thank you very much. Meet you at the next episode.